Hi there. Welcome to our demo of the BSS Quotes and Quick Order app. Our app enables your customers to quickly place bulk orders or request quotes directly from your storefront while you manage everything smoothly from your admin dashboard. Ready to see how it works? Let's get started. Before you can use the app on your storefront, you'll need to embed it into your theme. From the app dashboard, you'll see a message at the top that says, "App is not set up on your store." Click on that, then click the Embed App button. This will open your Shopify theme settings. On the left sidebar, you'll see the toggle switch for the app is turned on. Just click Save in the top right corner. Once you've done that, head back to the dashboard. You'll see a confirmation message that the app has been embedded successfully and you're ready to move on. Now let's walk through how to set up the Request for Quote feature in your store. First, make sure the app is embedded into your theme. Then, you'll need to contact our support team to help install the quote button. Since each Shopify theme is built differently, we'll make sure it works perfectly on yours. Don't worry, just give us your collab code and we will help you install it in a short time within our working hours. My team has already installed the quote button for me, so I will move to the next step. Once that's done, go to the app dashboard, click Request for Quote, then Quote Logic, and hit Create New Logic. You'll start by selecting your store type, default store, or B2B store. Only Shopify Plus user can choose the B2B store. Click Create Logic. Once selected, you'll enter a modal with 3 tabs. Start with the first tab, Set up Quote Visibility. Here's where you define who can see the quote form and on which products. You must enter a name for your quote logic. Set a priority level if needed. Choose which customers will see the quote. You can choose all customers or logged-in customers only. Choose specific customers or by tags. Here I will choose all customers. Select the products where the quote button will appear. You also have multiple options: all, by collection, by tag, specific products. Here I want to show the button on all the products of my store. When done, click the next tab, Set up Prices and Buttons. Here, you can configure the quote button. Choose whether to show or hide product prices. You can also hide default Shopify buttons, like Add to Cart or Buy Now. Select where to display the quote button, then customize its color and styling. Then click the next tab, Customize Quote Form, to continue. In this final setup tab, you can show or hide product information inside the form. Add, remove, or edit form fields. I want to add some custom fields for my products. Next, you can also adjust the design, like corner radius, border width, and color to match your store's branding. When you're finished, click Save, and then close the window. You will see the quote logic you've created there. To test your quote logic, go to your storefront. Remember to log in as a customer who matches the rule you just set. Then find a product with quotes enabled. Click Add to Quote. Fill out the form and submit it. Use your own email address when filling quote form so you can test receiving the proposal later. Back in the app admin, go to Quote Submissions, and you'll see the request you just made. Click on it to view the details. Here, you can adjust the quoted price, change quantities, or review any information the customer filled out. You can also add shipping or tax for your quote. Click Save. Once everything looks good, click to send the proposal via email. Then, check the inbox of the email you used. You'll see the quote proposal right there. After discussing and finalizing the terms with your customer, simply return to the quote in the app and click Convert to Draft Order. This will generate a Shopify draft order and from there, you can send the invoice directly through your Shopify admin. Now let's walk through how to set up the Quick Order feature in your store. Once embedded, go to the app and click Quick Order in the left menu. Under the Create and Edit Quick Order Pages section, click Configure, then Create New Page. Similar to the Request for Quote, Shopify Plus users will be asked to choose between default store and B2B store setup. Non-Plus users can only access the default store setup. Click Next to continue. Next, you'll enter the page configuration modal with two tabs. The first tab is Setup Quick Order Visibility. Here, you must enter a name for your page. This is just for internal use and won't be visible to customers. Choose which customers can access your page, then select which products or collections will appear on it. For this demo, I'll go with all customers and all products to keep things simple. The second tab is Customize Quick Order Page. This is where you can tailor the look and feel of your page. You can update the title, subtitle, background color, or even add a background image using a direct link. I'll leave it on the default for now. It already looks clean. Below that, choose which filters to include. You can enable filters like availability, collection, vendor, product type, and tags. I'll display all of these on my page. You can also choose whether to include the bulk import button or the sort field. Next, select which product details to show: SKU, vendor, and type. I'll go ahead and tick all of them. Finally, you can also adjust the page layout and style, change border radius, line thickness, and change the color scheme to match your store's branding better. Once you're happy with the setup, click Save, then close the modal. You'll now see your new page listed back in the dashboard. To make it live, click Publish, then enter the page title your customers will see and the URL handle. For example, I'll call mine Test Page and use Quick Order Test as the URL. Hit Publish again to confirm. Finally, click View to preview the page on your storefront. Just make sure you're logged in as a customer who matches the rules you set earlier. And that's it. Your Quick Order page is live and ready to go.